Imagine if I told you that a single AI tool on your laptop could become your personal money coach, investment researcher, side hustle assistant, and even a content creator, all at once. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, in today's video, we're diving deep into the big question. Can ChatGPT really help you build wealth, or is it just hype? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll not only discover the opportunities ChatGPT opens up, but also the limitations you must know before betting your financial future on it. Before we bring ChatGPT into the picture, let's clear the basics. Wealth building isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about creating, growing, and protecting assets over time. Typically, this happens through 1. Increasing your income. Jobs, businesses, side hustles. 2. Smart investing. Stocks, real estate, or other assets. 3. Managing expenses and debt wisely. 4. Scaling opportunities with technology. Now here's the golden question. Can an AI language model like ChatGPT plug into these areas and actually help you accelerate wealth creation? The short answer, yes, but with caveats. Let's be clear. ChatGPT is not a financial advisor. It won't magically multiply your money or give you insider stock tips. But what it can do is supercharge your productivity, knowledge, and decision-making, which are critical factors in building wealth. Think of it like this. ChatGPT isn't the money itself. It's the toolbox that helps you build the house. It can save you hours of research time, generate business ideas and even marketing material, explain complex financial concepts in plain language, automate repetitive tasks that free up your time. But it can't predict the stock market with certainty, replace your personal financial discipline, make risk-free investments for you. So now, let's look at the practical ways ChatGPT can be used to build wealth. The first pillar of wealth building is income, and this is where ChatGPT shines the most. Here are 5 powerful ways ChatGPT can help you earn more money. 1. Content creation business. ChatGPT can help you script YouTube videos, write blog posts, or draft social media content at lightning speed. Example, if you run a blog on personal finance, ChatGPT can generate 10 article drafts in a week, which you polish and publish. With consistent traffic, this can lead to ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and even digital products. 2. Freelancing with AI assistants. Writers, marketers, designers, all can use ChatGPT as a co-pilot. Copywriters use it to brainstorm ad campaigns. Social media managers use it for captions and hashtags. Virtual assistants use it for email drafting. The result? You handle more clients in less time. 3. E-commerce and digital products. Want to start an online store? ChatGPT can help you. Generate product descriptions, plan ad campaigns, write customer support templates. Some entrepreneurs even sell ChatGPT-powered guides, templates, and ebooks, turning AI into a revenue-generating product. 4. Learning high-income skills. ChatGPT isn't just a worker, it's a teacher. You can ask it to explain coding, stock analysis, or real estate basics. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7, speeding up your learning curve for high-paying skills. 5. Brainstorming side hustles. Struggling with business ideas? Ask ChatGPT, give me 10 side hustles I can start with $500 investment. It won't just give ideas, it can outline business models, marketing strategies, and potential pitfalls. So whether it's content, freelancing, or e-commerce, ChatGPT can become a multiplier for your income. But remember, execution is still in your hands. Now let's talk about the second pillar of wealth, investing. Can ChatGPT help here? Absolutely, but with limits. 1. Investment Research Assistant ChatGPT can't tell you which stock will double tomorrow, but it can. Summarize earnings reports. Explain investment terms like P/E ratio or index funds. Compare asset classes like stocks, bonds, crypto, or real estate. This saves you hours of reading and helps you make informed decisions. 2. Personal finance planning. Ask ChatGPT, help me create a monthly budget on a $3,000 income with $800 rent and $400 student loan payments. It will draft a budgeting framework you can adjust. 3. Simulating scenarios. ChatGPT can simulate what-if cases. For example, what happens if I invest $500 monthly in an S&P 500 index fund for 20 years with 8% return? It won't give future guarantees, but it will show you mathematical possibilities. 4. Risk education. It can explain risks like market crashes, inflation, or debt traps in simple words, helping you avoid financial mistakes. The key here, ChatGPT is your research partner, not your fortune teller. It can sharpen your financial literacy, but the investing discipline and decisions are yours to make. Another overlooked part of wealth building is time management. ChatGPT can automate repetitive tasks like drafting emails, organize to-do lists, generate summaries of books or articles, help you brainstorm faster. And in wealth building, time saved equals money earned. The person who learns faster, works faster, and makes decisions faster usually outpaces everyone else. ChatGPT can be the silent assistant that saves you hundreds of hours over the year. Now, before you get too excited, let's talk about the downsides. 1. Not always accurate. ChatGPT sometimes gives outdated or incorrect info. Always double-check. 2. No financial responsibility. If you follow its advice blindly and lose money, that's on you. 3. Over-reliance risk. If you depend only on AI without building your own skills, you'll struggle long-term. 4. Ethical use. Copy-pasting AI content without editing can harm your credibility. So think of ChatGPT as a smart intern. Helpful, fast, creative, but needs supervision. A freelance writer boosted income by 3 times by using ChatGPT for faster first drafts. A small business owner used ChatGPT to design ad copy, saving thousands on marketing. Students are learning investing basics with AI explanations, setting themselves up for smarter financial futures. These stories show that ChatGPT isn't magic, but it is a multiplier. So, can ChatGPT really help you build wealth? Yes, if you use it as a tool for productivity, learning, and idea generation. No, if you expect it to hand you money without effort. Wealth is still built the old-fashioned way. Work hard, work smart, manage money wisely, and invest consistently. ChatGPT just helps you do all of that faster, smarter, and better. So the next time you sit down with ChatGPT, don't just ask it random questions. Ask, how can this tool move me one step closer to financial freedom today? Because in the end, the real wealth isn't just in money. It's in how wisely you use your tools.